Hello friends and welcome to Ticker TV's Commodities Market Update with Jatin Trivedi. I am Senior Research Analyst with LKP for Commodities and Currencies. So for this week we are ahead looking at very volatile sessions that we are going to witness in all the commodities and the base metals and the bullions, also the energy packs. So we are expecting a very strong, highly momentum, energized week this week for commodities. It is strongly recommended to trade with light quantities and also uh, keep strict stop losses on each and every of your trade because we are looking at a very strong, highly momentum and volatile market ahead for this week. Now, speaking about the levels for the bullions first, gold looks a little bit on the range bound side between 47,700 to 48,400. This will be a volatile range again. Till the time it is trading between this range, you can expect this range bound territory trade. But once the prices breaks either of the side, we can expect some strong bullish or bearish trend in the gold prices. Now moving on to the silver front, silver will be strongly volatile due to the base metals as well between the range of 67,000 to 69,000. Just like last week also we have seen the volatility being witnessed in the silver prices as well. uh, it is recommended to trade with light positions and buy it on dips with the stop loss below 67,000 and sell it on rise near 68,500 to 68,400 with the stop loss above 69,000 on the silver market. Now moving on to the base metals, which are highly volatile right now, it is recommended to avoid the counters with aggressive trades in the base metals. One can take a view in the base metal index with 15,500 as a resistance point and 14,900 as a supportive zone. One can buy it on dips and sell it on rise again between this range. Uh, Speaking about the copper prices, copper is weak till the time it is trading below 740. Zinc prices are weak till the time they are trading below 747, 247. Nickel prices are weak till the time they are trading below 1440. And also the strong supportive zones for nickel prices are at the levels of around 1380. So buyers can take long positions near 1400, 1390 with the stop loss below 1380. Uh, on the energies front, crude is still weak as we have seen the production hike updates from the OPEC Plus, and also the rising COVID numbers are also not helping the demand side issues that the crude market has been facing. So this will impact strongly to the crude prices. And going ahead, we will see some profit booking again happening from the higher levels. 5200 is a very strong barrier which crude uh, has broken, and we expect the prices to trade lower than this continuously. So keeping a stop loss above 5200 is recommended on any short positions. On the lower end, 4900 to 4800 will act as a supportive zone for this week. The last, which is the natural gas prices, they are still positive. We are expecting the prices to stay positive and trade positively going ahead. It is a buy on dip market for the natural gas prices till the time they are trading about 260 on positional basis. So this is about it from me on the commodities market front. Hope to catch you all next week again. This is Jatin Trivedi signing off on behalf of Ticker TV.